Feline Fascination, Unveiling the Enigmatic World of the Domestic Cat. Over the course of millennia, the felis catus, more often referred to as the domestic cat, has been a marvel of the natural world that has captivated the hearts of humans and scientists alike. This sleek and nimble species exemplifies the very definition of evolutionary success. It possesses a remarkable versatility that has allowed it to flourish in a broad variety of settings all over the world. The domestic cat continues to be a subject of scientific intrigue, despite the fact that it is so common in human households. Its complex biology, behavior, and evolutionary history provide a rich tapestry for researchers to investigate. When one embarks on a voyage via the scientific lens into the world of the domestic cat, one discovers a multitude of fascinating aspects, ranging from the genetic makeup of the domestic cat to the behavioral complexities that it experiences. The genome of the domestic cat reveals, at the molecular level, a mosaic of genes that encode for characteristics that have been honed over the course of millennia of evolution. These characteristics represent the domestic cat's ancestry as well as its adaptations. This genomic landscape contains signs that point to the amazing sensory prowess of the domestic cat. These indications include the domestic cat's keen hearing and night vision, both of which are characteristics that are perfectly tuned for hunting prowess. However, the transformation of felid predecessors from solitary hunters to cohabitators with humans is still a topic of controversy among academics. The domestic cat's evolutionary journey can be traced back to its felid progenitors. The results of paleogenomic investigations provide insights into the process of domestication, suggesting that there were many waves of domestication of cats that occurred over a period of thousands of years. It is quite likely that these early interactions with humans were responsible for shaping the behavioral and physiological characteristics that are observed in domestic cats today, hence nurturing characteristics that are suitable to coexistence with human communities. The reproductive journey of the domestic cat is among the most important aspects of its life cycle. This journey involves a complex interaction between hormonal cues and behavioral patterns. The commencement of reproductive capability often coincides with the onset of sexual maturity, which typically occurs between the ages of 6 and 9 months. Estrous cycles are defined by behavioral changes and hormonal fluctuations that signify receptivity to mating. Estrous cycles of females are characterized by these characteristics. After the female has been fertilized, she will go through a gestation period that lasts for around 2 months, which will culminate in the delivery of a litter of kittens. A crucial stage in the life cycle of the domestic cat is the period in which the kittens are being raised by their mothers. During this phase, the care that the mother provides is essential to the survival and growth of the kittens. As a result of their lack of vision and hearing at birth, newborn kittens are completely dependent on their mother for warmth, nutrition, and safety. The mother cat demonstrates exceptional maternal qualities through the act of nursing her young and teaching them fundamental skills such as how to groom themselves and how to practice hunting strategies. There is a time of rapid growth and development that the kittens go through as they age. This period is characterized by exploration and playful interactions with the other kittens in their litter. As they progress through this formative stage, they will develop their physical coordination and social skills, which will build the groundwork for their eventual incorporation into the larger feline group. As they learn from their mother and other cats, young cats acquire crucial survival techniques that are required for navigating their environment. These survival strategies are acquired through observation and mimicry. In the life cycle of the domestic cat, the transition to independence is a key milestone. This is because it is during this time when young adults venture out to establish their territories and express their position within the hierarchy of felines when they become independent. During this time period, cats are driven to investigate their environment and engage in social interactions with other members of their species because they are searching for resources such as food, shelter, and potential mates. The social dynamics that exist among communities of felines play a significant part in the formation of behavior. Individuals compete with one another for supremacy and create alliances in order to maintain access to resources. In adulthood, reproductive cycles continue, with males and females engaging in courtship rituals and mating behaviors during breeding seasons. These behaviors are observed during the reproductive cycle. The process of mating is frequently preceded by complex displays of courtship, which may include vocalizations, grooming motions, and olfactory communication that is mediated by pheromones. After mating, the female cat will go through the process of gestation, which will ensure that the cycle of life continues for subsequent generations of domestic cats. Beyond the area of reproduction, the domestic cat displays a wide variety of behaviors and adaptations that are reflective of its evolutionary history and the ecological niche it occupies. Cats exhibit a remarkable degree of adaptability in their behavioral repertoire, which includes both the solitary stalking of the hunter and the social connections that are formed inside feline colonies respectively. Interactions between felines are characterized by a significant emphasis on communication, which includes vocalizations, body language, and scent marking, all of which serve as complex types of social signaling. The sensory capabilities of the domestic cat are a tribute to the evolutionary brilliance of the domestic cat, which is well attuned to the requirements of its existence as a predator. The acute senses of hearing and smell that cats possess allow them to locate prey from a great distance, and their whiskers help them navigate and become aware of their surroundings. One of the most well-known characteristics of cats is their remarkable ability to see in the dark. This ability is made possible by unique adaptations within the eye that increase sensitivity to low light levels. With evidence of complex problem-solving ability and social cognition, cognitive studies provide insights into the mental powers of domestic cats, defying perceptions of feline aloofness. These research also provide evidence that domestic cats are socially cognizant. Researchers have proved that cats are capable of learning, remembering, and even empathizing with others through the use of experimental paradigms. This has helped shed light on the complex mechanisms that are at work within the feline mind. The domestication of the cat has also left an indelible mark on human culture. Cats have taken on a variety of functions, ranging from being cherished friends to being guardians of agricultural goods. It is a reflection of cats' continuing appeal and cultural significance that they have been depicted in many forms of culture for millennia, ranging from ancient Egyptian deities to memes on the internet in the present day. Despite the passage of time, cats continue to occupy a unique position in the affections of millions of people. Their mysterious attraction continues to serve as a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and scientists simultaneously. The path of the domestic cat from its wild ancestor to its valued friend in the home exemplifies the strength of adaptability and coexistence. In conclusion, the domestic cat is a tribute to the marvels of evolution. We continue to develop a greater understanding for these intriguing creatures and the intricate habitats that they occupy as a result of scientific investigation, which allows us to continue unraveling the mysteries of the feline world more thoroughly. Cats provide a window into the inner workings of the natural world, from their genetic makeup to the subtleties of their behavior. They invite us to wonder at the beauty and complexity of life on Earth by providing a window into natural phenomena. Join us in celebrating the timeless legacy of cats and the essential role they play in shaping our lives. Together, let us pave a path towards a future where cats and humans coexist in harmony, enriching each other's lives and the world around us. Please subscribe, like, and share this message. Take action today to support initiatives for the welfare and conservation of cats in your community. Together, we can make a meaningful impact for cats and the environment.